Good morning folks, and this is an overview of a Pioneer stereo amplifier SA560, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in. I know I've got an idea this works. I've never tried speakers on it though. What we'll do, we'll plug it in, and what we'll do, we'll have a look at the because I'll probably scrap this because it's a bit rough and it's not one of Pioneer's finest moments. So what we'll do, we'll rest the meter there so that you can all see the meter. Let's put it on, we want it on AC. There we go. Prop the meter there so you can all see the meter. Wait. There we are. You can all see it. Yeah, I definitely think that the camera is in the right position now. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a guess. I don't know. I reckon about 30-40 volts, maybe a bit more. Let's find out. Would help if I switched it on, wouldn't it? Well, it must work because it's just come out of protection mode. Yeah. I'm reading it off the telly. 57.5. That means it must be about 28 volts each. Nearly 30 volts on each side. Nearly 30 volts each side. That would drive a bloody good amp, that. Plus and minus. That would drive a bloody good amp. Much better than what this thing is. Anyway, let's see what it's what kind of capacitors are actually in here. I'm not going to do any other voltage checks because I don't feel the need to. I don't really want to. It doesn't mean a lot to me, this amp. It was given to me by one of the scrap fellas. Not Tommy Dawn, asked me if I'd like it, so I says yes. But unplug it first. It does have a magnetic phono stage, which is here at the back. All this little area with a JRC type. What kind of capacitors have we got in this? Probably shit. They won't be fucking good quality. They won't be premium quality. Oh, Elna. Oh, this is put Elna caps in it. Well, smoothers anyway. Smoother capacitors are Elna. But the rest of them are not. But saying that, there won't be one hung low either. I'm trying to think. This hasn't had the transistors changed either. This is on its original. Yeah. That's factory soldering, that, folks. That's all factory soldering, that. This has never been worked on. Anyway, it does appear to work. I removed the metal plates on the top earlier, well, a few days ago. But I might put it, I'm not sure if I'm going to put it back together and use it as a test amp because it's, you know, it wasn't Pioneer's finest moment, and being honest with you, I don't really have much of a use for it. But, you know, I don't know, I might chuck it together, stick it on eBay. See, that was all broke, but I've glued all that together, so I'm hoping that'll hold. I'm hoping it'll hold. I think it will. But there used to be side covers on here and they're missing. There's nothing I can do about that, but I'm only going to, if I sell it, I'm only going to sell it cheap. So, but if I don't sell it, I'll break it up. Because that transformer's worth having on its own. A 30 volt transformer, well, 30 volts each side, or just under 60 volts. Call it 60 volts both, you know, total. So that's certainly worthwhile anyway. So if I decide I'm going to keep this, then I'll do something with it. If I decide that I'm going to scrap it, then I'll do something with it, like throw it in the shed and mark it, but put the covers back on and mark it down as scrap, as parts only. I've got the screws, all the screws and knobs, they're all here. And yeah. Anyway, folks, it's a nice bright day today. Have a look out here. There we go. Look at that. Brilliant. I love that. Just turn you round. You can't really see out of my windows. Needs to clean that window. You get little bastards round here, throw eggs at your fucking windows, of cunts. Yeah. Yeah, but I definitely think that this camera position is definitely the one to go for. Yeah. I'm going to keep the camera at this position. I'm going to keep the camera where I've got it now, because you can see me working. You know, everything's accessible. You can see the hole in my bench. You can see if I'm working on something close up here. I can lift the camera up. If we need a bit more room, there we go. And I've got the facility to there we go, to pan and tilt the camera. Usually works better with the aerial up, but I mean, it is a bit jerky, but you know, it's not bad. And that's at 0, that's perfectly straight. But I have it off a bit because which is about a 30-degree angle, just under. For working. I know when I move it, it wobbles a bit, but there's nothing I can do about that. You know, but that length of curtain pole was just the right thickness for the top of the tripod, and just the right thickness to go into the remains of that microphone stand. So that was quite lucky to work. That was quite lucky. Well, actually, it's a bit bent. It's a bit too big for that, but it's a bit bent. It's sort of got a kink in it. So when you push it in, it wedges it, and it's pretty stiff. You can't turn it without turning the whole stand. You can't turn the curtain pole bit without the whole lot turning. So that'll do me, and I don't have to worry about falling off the power supply. And people saying, I can't see what you're doing. No. Because now you all can. Anyway, folks, this is just a quick video. I'm going to go and get my breakfast. This is just a quick video on the overview of this little Pioneer amplifier. Thanks for watching, folks, and more to come later. Bye for now.